The A.O. Smith two-stage undersink water filter is obsessively engineered to deliver clean, filtered water. From hydration to cooking, you can now enjoy filtered water whenever you need it. Clarium filtration technology reduces harmful contaminants, those you can see, smell, and taste, and even those you can't. Even better, no water is wasted, and nothing is added to your water during the filtration process. NSF tested and certified to standards 42, 53, and 401 plus P473. This system reduces up to 99% of 77 harmful contaminants, including lead, mercury, asbestos, pesticides, pharmaceuticals, chlorine, PFOA, PFOS, and more. This filter lasts for 6 months and is easy to replace. Purchase your A.O. Smith two-stage undersink water filter today.